इस टाइम पे बांग्लादेशी मीडिया ये ऑफिशियली अनाउंस कर रहा है कि बांग्लादेश ने J17 थंडर के बाद J10c का ऑफिशियल अनाउंसमेंट कर दिया है कि बांग्लादेश एयरफोर्स चाइना से J10c के फाइटर जेट्स लेने वाले हैं। जैसे हम आपके साथ पिछले 3 महीने से रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं कि बांग्लादेश ऑफिशियली तरीके से रिपोर्ट कर रहा है कि भाई हम J10c के फाइटर जेट लेने वाले हैं। J10c के बारे में मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये पाकिस्तान के पास मौजूद फाइटर जेट्स है, ये चाइना के बनाए हुए फाइटर जेट्स है। इसके अलावा आप लोगों को ये बता दूं कि J17 थंडर जो बांग्लादेश ने पाकिस्तान से ऑर्डर किया है वो भी पाकिस्तान ने इंडिया के खिलाफ इस्तेमाल किए हुए फाइटर जेट है, जो कि नामे गरानी फाइटर जेट है, जिसका नाम सुन के इंडिया डरता है। बांग्लादेश ने उसका भी ऑर्डर दे दिया है। लेकिन इस टाइम बात हो रही है J10c की, जो कि पाकिस्तान के पास भी है, जो कि चाइना का सबसे बेहतरीन फाइटर जेट है, जो कि इस टाइम बांग्लादेश लेने वाला है। रिपोर्ट आपके साथ इसके बारे में शेयर करते हैं, फिर आपके साथ बात करते हैं।
Bangladesh is looking to boost its air power. The nation has shown interest in the Chinese J10c fighter jet. This is a big deal for the region. It signals Bangladesh's growing defense ambitions. The J10c is a modern, capable aircraft. It would significantly enhance Bangladesh's air force. This move has caught the attention of neighboring countries. India, in particular, is watching closely. Bangladesh's interest in the J10c is driven by several factors. The country wants to modernize its military. It also seeks to reduce its reliance on any one country for arms. This decision reflects Bangladesh's growing economic and political clout. It also highlights China's increasing influence in South Asia. The potential acquisition of the J10c is a major development. It has the potential to reshape the regional security landscape. The J10c is a cutting-edge, multi-role fighter jet. It's a product of China's advanced aerospace industry. The aircraft boasts impressive capabilities. It has advanced radar systems, electronic warfare capabilities, and beyond visual range combat capabilities. The J10c is also highly maneuverable. It can carry a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles. This makes it a potent platform for both offensive and defensive operations. For Bangladesh, the J10c represents a significant upgrade. Its current fleet is older and less capable. The J10c would provide Bangladesh with a modern, credible deterrent. It would enhance the country's ability to defend its airspace. The J10c's advanced capabilities are a game changer for the region. They could alter the balance of power in the air. The skies over South Asia are becoming increasingly crowded. India has long been the dominant air power in the region. It boasts a large and technologically advanced air force. Pakistan, too, has a formidable air force. It has traditionally relied on American and Chinese equipment. However, the balance of power is shifting. China's growing military might is a major factor. China's foray into advanced fighter jet technology is notable. The J10c is a prime example of this. Other South Asian nations are also bolstering their air capabilities. This includes Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar. The introduction of the J10c into Bangladesh's arsenal would further complicate this dynamic. Section 4. Regional ripples, reactions, and countermoves. Bangladesh's potential acquisition of the J10c has sent ripples through the region. India, in particular, is likely to view this development with concern. The J10c's advanced capabilities could pose a challenge to India's air superiority. India may respond by strengthening its own air force. It could also increase defense cooperation with other countries in the region. Pakistan is also likely to be watching closely. Islamabad has long been wary of India's military superiority. The J10c's presence in Bangladesh could alter the military equation between India and Pakistan. The potential sale of the J10c to Bangladesh highlights China's growing influence in South Asia. Section 5. A new chessboard. Geopolitical implications. Bangladesh's pursuit of the J10c is a significant geopolitical development. It underscores the shifting balance of power in South Asia. The region is becoming increasingly multipolar. China's growing influence is a key driver of this trend. The United States is also a major player in the region. Washington's Indo-Pacific strategy aims to counter China's growing assertiveness. Bangladesh's decision to acquire advanced fighter jets from China is a sign of the times. It reflects the complex interplay of national interests, regional rivalries, and great power competition that characterizes South Asia today. The acquisition of the J10c by Bangladesh could have far-reaching consequences. It could intensify an already existing arms race in the region. This could further escalate tensions between India and Pakistan. It could also draw other extra-regional powers into the fray. The J10c deal is a reminder that South Asia is a region in flux. The regional security landscape is undergoing a period of rapid transformation.
तो आप लोगों ने देखा बांग्लादेश इस टाइम पे J10c फाइटर जेट लेने की बात कर रहा है। ये बांग्लादेश का मैं समझता हूँ कि लेटेस्ट से लेटेस्ट फाइटर जेट होने वाला है जो चाइना ने अपना बनाया हुआ है, खुद भी यूज करता है, जिसका नाम जैंगडू 10 है, जिसको हम J10c के नाम से जानते हैं। बांग्लादेश ये फाइटर जेट चाइना से लेने वाला है। अभी तक ऑफिशियल न्यूज नहीं आ रही, लेकिन इस वीडियो के मुताबिक कहा जा रहा है कि बांग्लादेश ने ऑफिशियली तरीके से अनाउंस कर दिया है कि हम ये फाइटर जेट लेने वाले हैं। अब आपके साथ शेयर ये करूँ कि इस टाइम बॉर्डर हालात कंडीशन काफी ज्यादा खराब है बांग्लादेश के इंडिया के साथ, और खास करके चाइना के भी। अब चाइना चाहता है कि भाई हम अगर ज्यादा सेल करेंगे, ज्यादा चीजें सेल करेंगे तो हम अपना फायदा करेंगे, और अपने फायदे के बाद अगर हमारे साथ किसी की जंग होती है तो हम उनके खिलाफ लड़ पाएंगे।